for this tutorial you will need hair and stabby of your choosing. Okay, so starting with my hair down, I'm going to decide where I want to put the bun. I'm going to stick it on the top of my head just so you can see, but if you have shorter hair, do it further down, it'll be easier. You can tell I haven't brushed this, but once it's in position, you want to twist. You want as much tension on the hair as you can, and then I just wrap it round my hand to keep the tension going, and then this is what we're playing with the rest of the hair. I'm going to wrap it around the base just to get rid of it, and then you can, with the hole, you can either push it over that way or push the whole thing forward there. Basically you want the bit that we wrapped around in the middle of the circle. And then you get your stabby, you go in one side of the loop under the bit that we wrapped around and then out in front of the other side of the loop. So there we go. Then you can just switch it around to make it even. I'll show you what it looks like from the top. And here's the lower down version. Very nice, very cute. Enjoy your stabby hairstyles and go cause some chaos.